बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है, स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए जिनकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है जस्ट लाइक मी। ऑनेस्टली पहले मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आता था कि एक्ने प्रोन स्किन पर मैं मेकअप कैसे करूं। कभी मेकअप केकी लगता था, कभी ब्रेकआउट्स का टेंशन होता था और कभी समझ में ही नहीं आता था कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करूं ताकि मुझे एक्ने ना हो। तो ग्रेजुअली मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी हैं एंड वही सब मैं आज आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ, सो दैट आपको भी मेरे जैसे सेम प्रॉब्लम्स फेस ना करनी पड़े। So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup on acne prone skin without making it heavy or cakey, along with some small tips that genuinely helped me. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, prepping the skin nicely. Right now I do have some acne on my skin, so I'm starting with the skincare first because prepping the skin makes a huge difference. For skincare, I'm using two products. First one is Bioderma Sebum Hydra Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizers for summers. It keeps my skin hydrated without feeling heavy, and along with that I'm using the Kitava gel to keep my acne under control. I'm going to mix both of them on the back of my hand, apply on my face like this. Just a small disclaimer that this product is a medicated product, not for everyone, so please use it if it suits you or has been recommended to you. While this sinks into the skin, I'm going to use this Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm for some hydration. It gives a really nice gloss and healthy look to the lips. Let's wait for 2 minutes so they can properly settle into the skin. Next, I'll be applying the sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. Apply it nicely all over the skin. Now I will give this around 5 minutes to settle properly and then I will move on to the makeup. Now that our sunscreen has settled nicely, let's move on to the primer. For primer, I'm using the Nykaa Peptide Blur Primer. Honestly मुझे ये काफी पसंद है because ये स्किन पर बिल्कुल भी स्टिकी फील नहीं कराता. Instead ये स्किन पे एक ब्लर इफेक्ट क्रिएट करता है जिससे कि स्किन का जो टेक्सचर है उतना विजिबल नहीं लगता, स्पेशली एक्ने प्रोन स्किन के लिए. इसकी वजह से मेकअप स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से ग्लाइड होता है एंड ओवरऑल बेस भी काफी स्मूथ और इवन लगता है. फॉर माय बेस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस L'Oreal Paris Infallible Tinted Serum Foundation because honestly it's summer and I don't want anything on my face that feels heavy or cakey, especially when you have acne prone skin. Sometimes heavy layers can feel uncomfortable, so I personally like to going for something lightweight but still giving nice coverage. A tinted serum gives that perfect balance. The skin feels breathable while evening out the complexion nicely. Just blending it out. Can you see the difference? The best part of tinted serums are you can build the coverage and it will not look cakey. And remember guys, we are not trying to hide our skin completely. We just want our makeup to sit nicely and look fresh and not cakey. Okay, so let's move on to the concealer now. But before that, I want to tell you something. Basically, concealers के दो purpose होते हैं. First is to cover pigmentation or uneven areas, and second is to highlight certain parts of the face like under eye area. But because मेरी skin पर pigmentation है, मैं concealer को pigmented areas को even out करने के लिए यूज करूंगी. And since this is a full coverage concealer, it highlights beautifully as well. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Honestly, this is one of my favorite concealers because it's affordable, proper high-end वाली finish देता है. I am applying it under my eyes, bit here, around the mouth area, and on some pigmented areas. So this is a hack. I always spray my misting or holding spray to the brush like this and then blend my concealer like this. So basically ये मैं इसलिए करती हूँ ताकि जो मेरा कंसीलर का कवरेज है वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बने और अगर मुझे फुल डे के लिए भी ये वेयर करना है तो ये बज ना करे. Look at that. See how beautifully it blended and brightened the skin without looking too heavy. Okay, let's move on to the next step, which is one of my favorite steps, is applying blush. I think after applying blush, it instantly brings life and freshness to the face. Let's blend this. And here is the small tip I always follow. So basically my face is round, so I want my face to look sculpted. For that, I always use blush on my cheekbones. And now I blend this upwards. Let me show you how. And now जो भी product brush पर रह जाता है, I just slightly apply around my nose, chin, and a little bit on the forehead sides, a little bit here to give a color to the eyes. See how beautiful it looked. It ties the whole look together and gives a really natural, healthy, flush look to the face without looking too much. Now that our cream products are done, let's move on to setting everything with loose powder. Now for powder, I'm using the MAC loose powder. मुझे इसका finish बहुत पसंद है because makeup को ये बहुत अच्छे से set कर देता है without making the skin too dry. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and the mouth area जहाँ पे ज़्यादा oil secretion रहता है, like this. It works amazing and gives a really nice finish too. Now जो भी rest product brush पे बच जाएगा उसको हम all over the face apply कर देंगे like this. So it's on a little expensive side, but if you want an affordable option, then definitely check out the K-Beauty loose powder. It also works really good for oily and acne prone skin. So now that everything is set, I love using misting and setting spray after my base is done. The reason it helps all the layers to melt beautifully together so that the makeup doesn't look too powdery or separate. At the same time, ये makeup को lock in करने में help करता है and एक natural finish भी देता है. I am using the Makeup Revolution Super Hold Misting Spray. Apart from होल्डिंग द मेकअप नाइसली, ये फेस को एक बहुत अच्छा ग्लो देता है. लेट मी शो यू. Can you see the glow? So now that our base is done, we can finally free to do the eyes. And for me, I always like to do the brows first. For both brows and lashes, I'm using one of my staple product, which is Mars Double Trouble Mascara. And I usually like to use this one for my brows. I'm just applying it very lightly because I don't want to look my brows very harsh or overdone. एंड ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगता है कि अगर ब्राउज सेट हो जाते हैं तो फेस ऑटोमेटिकली इनहैंस्ड लगता है. इवन विदाउट मेकअप, प्रॉपर्ली ग्रूम्ड ब्राउज गिव बेटर डेफिनेशन एंड स्ट्रक्चर टू द फेस. नाउ द ब्राउज आर डन, वी विल मूव ऑन टू द लैशेस. नाउ फॉर द लैशेस, आई एम यूजिंग द सेकंड वॉन्ड. So now comes my favorite part, the lips. I'm using the Maybelline Serum Lipstick in shade Hold the Door. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. This is how I personally like to do and layer my makeup on my skin. I hope this video helped you and maybe made makeup feel less confusing if you have acne prone skin like me. So before ending this video, there is something I really wanted to say. I have heard this so many times that makeup से acne होता है, but honestly, I don't think it's that simple. Makeup itself doesn't necessarily cause acne if you understand your skin and do the right things in the right way. Your skincare, the way you remove your makeup, the skin prep, the process of layering, the products you use, all of these plays a very important role. That's why it's really important to choose the product for your skin carefully, remove your makeup properly, and stop skipping your skincare. So I personally feel that blaming makeup alone is not fair because the way you use it matters too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!